Hello and welcome to TaxTron web tutorial video series. Today, we're diving into the home buyer plan, and in this video I'll be breaking down the process step by step, so you can take full advantage of this tax credit. Before we jump in, let's quickly cover some important points of the home buyer plan. The HBP permits withdrawing from RRSPs for home purchase or construction. The current HBP withdrawal limit is $35,000. Repayment period begins in the second year after initial HBP withdrawal. If previously participated, potential for reparticipation if January 1st balance is zero. To get started, log into your TaxTron web account. Once you're in, the next move is to create a new return. And make sure you've completed your personal information section, under Identification. This is crucial for accurate reporting. When you're done, click Next to proceed. Now, let's input your income details. For our example, we'll use a T4 income of $130,500 for the taxpayer. This income will lead to a balance owing of $36,733.58. Next up, we'll tackle the home buyer plan. Head over to the Deduction tab on the left and navigate to the RRSP profile. Now, answer yes to the question saying, are you required to make payments to HBP? Once this is done, click on the Next button to head over to the next page. Let's explore two different scenarios to see how HBP repayment impact your return. In first scenario, if you have an HBP repayment of $1,435 but no RRSP contribution, this repayment flows to line 12900 of the T1 General Form, resulting in RRSP income that will increase your balance owing to $37,356.52. Now, for scenario 2, let's play around with some digits. Head back to your RRSP profile. Set your deduction limit, as an example, let's say, $8,590. Then, answer the question saying, did you make RRSP contributions or have any transfers, and click Next. Now, enter an RRSP contribution of $4,435. Did you notice the difference? The HBP repayment is applied to your return. Your balance owing starts to shrink. And guess what? Not only that, your taxable income reduces as well, thanks to the RRSP contribution. And that's a wrap up for today. But we're not done yet. In our next video, we're diving even deeper into handling HBP withdrawals and repayments while you prep your tax return. So, remember, this is just the beginning. We're here to guide you every step of the way, and you're on your way to maximizing your benefits and making the most out of your return.